How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to make your forearms bigger and stronger at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999. So we are going to do a little bit of a workout. The first exercise that I love to do for all my forearm workouts really is going to be, it always starts off with the forearm curl mostly because I think this is by far the best exercise to do. So that's 30, keep going, 31, 32. 40, keep going, 41, 42. 50, keep going. 60, perfect, quick little break. Okay, the next exercise we are going to do is twists. So just like this. This is for the arms, but it works the forearms really good too. It's 40, keep going. 50, perfect, quick little break. Okay, the next exercise that we're going to do is a squeeze. Squeezes are really, really good. So we're going to go like this, and you're going to squeeze really, really tight. That's 1 rep, 2, 3. Again, you have to squeeze super tight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're going to do a forearm curl just like this. Forty, keep going. 50, perfect. So in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.